Hey, welcome, Teach Quest here. In this episode, the story continues of my tour of Southern California, Oregon, and the Pacific Coast route. On the previous episode, rain, Devil's Slide, San Francisco, Golden Gate, and Sausalito. It's Monday, May 6th at Mill Valley at the Mirror Woods Inn. I'm getting ready to depart. I'm heading to a state park that's about 62 miles, I believe, from here. So pretty good ride. I don't think the climbing is too extensive, so I think it should be good. The many off-road pathways from the hotel to Fairfax makes for a peaceful morning. There's one big hill climb before leaving the highway and taking a dirt trail through Sam Taylor State Park. The rolling hills and winds increase as I reach Tomales Bay. The ups and downs repeat while following the road inland. Returning back to the coast, I reach my destination at Bodega Dunes State Park. After a busy road crossing right at the hotel, I already settle onto a nice paved pathway. My track, good to go. Wow, crazy nice day right now. The skies are perfectly clear without any threat of rain. Really nice park. Again, pathway, amazing how many nice parks and pathways there are in California. I guess the weather's nice, you gotta invest some in that. It makes it really nice. A lot of them go a long distance and through. Have Paradise Drive and Lucky Drive on that road sign. This newly paved road with low traffic and a bike lane is a great way to travel when not on the pass. I run across this eccentric collection of oddities. The first 9 miles of the ride are mostly pathways and quiet roads. So many miles of trails. 8.5 miles and I'm trying to remember, but well, I guess there was some road, but I would say at least 60% of it's on pathways. As I ride through San Anselmo, I watch for a place to eat. Nothing catches my eye, so I keep moving until I reach a market up the road in Fairfax. I buy some sandwiches at a market, and a lady asked me about my travels.
You look like you're either starting an adventure or you're in the middle of one.
I'm in the middle of one.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from or heading to?
I've been in Southern California for a while, and now I'm heading up the coast to Washington State.
Oh, huh.
Yeah.
That's a fun ride.
Yeah. I'm on day, I think, 22 today.
That's exciting. How long are you giving yourself to get up the coast?
Quite a bit of time. I probably will need like another 19 days.
Yeah. Take your time.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
It is.
It's
It's really nice.
Wow. Luck with your ride.
Yeah, thank you.
We have nice weather.
This bike museum isn't open right now, so I just go with pictures and some video. I'm just doing slow and steady. It's the big climb of the day, look like. I think the bigger challenge will be the winds. Pretty much looks head on most of my route. Just after the climb, a local cyclist catches up to me.
Howdy. Riding back to Vancouver?
Yeah.
No way, awesome.
Yeah. You from around here or somewhere? Just doing a day ride here?
Yeah, right back. Kind of a Larkspur probably.
We ride and talk for about 5 minutes.
We'll hook a ride right here.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Take care, man.
All right, good chatting with you. Bye.
Ricky.
Yeah. The traffic is light along the highway, but I'm happy to take the off-road trail when I reach it. Samuel Taylor State Park is one that I marked as a good camp spot, but it was too far to reach yesterday, and it's too early to stop today. Reaching the end of the pathway, I return to the highway for most of the remaining ride. I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice, but that's kind of a cool looking hillside. Looks like broccoli. It's Broccoli Hill. In this section, I pass a number of southbound tours. Due to the lack of shoulder along this road, it's fortunate the traffic remains light. I stop at various viewpoints as I ride along the bay.
I guess I'm pretty tired today, I don't know. I feel okay, but don't seem to have the energy. Could have to do with the headwind. It's really hard to judge. It's like, feels like everything's so difficult, even on the flats.
I couldn't pass up the opportunity to take a picture of this giant turn sign.
They're kind of a frustrating road. Again, if it was a tailwind, probably wouldn't be nearly as frustrating. You just get this momentary freezing wind blowing down the hill, then you creep up the next hill. Then freezing blowing down the wind for a second, creeping up the hill. Do it, repeat, do it, repeat. Do it, repeat. I get there eventually, but man, it's another grind. Anyway, you can carry some speed up this one too. Not gonna be enough, that's for sure. Come on, you can do it. Just give me a nice flat section with little wind. No! 45 miles. I still have a long ways to go. Another 20 miles to go, I think.
While taking a break and eating ice cream, I watched someone power wash the building next door.
Big hill climb coming up. Well, I've been climbing, but the steepness will greatly increase. So many climbs, little climbs, killing me.
The headwinds and the constant up and downs are making this day much harder than I was expecting when I left this morning.
So it doesn't just seem tough, it is actually a tough day. It is a tough day. Here's some cheap close-up picture time. Long hill. It doesn't look long.
At this point, I'm hoping I make camp soon.
Hill climb time. Again. Here's what I have to deal with. Tattered flag. That's what I have to deal with. Tattered flags. Nothing out here is flat. I'm in a forested area here. Those are cedar, I'm sure. Terrible with trees.
Another deer sighting, this time on a nearby hillside. Oyster and fish markets are scattered along the bay. I correctly guessed that this is the last stop before camp.
What do you want, son? Breakfast burrito and a cheeseburger.
I grab a burger to eat now and a breakfast burrito for tomorrow morning.
Self-registration. I paid my $5, and there's a lot of bikers around town, so we'll see what the campsite looks like. Hopefully there's plenty of space, and I have no issues. Looks like you see a sign here. It says hike bike to the left. To the left.
The hike bike site here is pretty small. A husband and wife couple and another rider is already here. I still have plenty of space to squeeze my tent in. The couple is from the local area and they are riding a short 4-day tour. The other rider is going southbound and started in Canada. I didn't know what to expect from tomorrow's ride, but the local couple spoke very highly of it and even said it was his favorite part. I now have high expectations and we'll see in the morning if it's justified or not. On the next episode, morning fog, rocky shores, bird watchers, tricky roads, and Fort Ross.
That call box, and I'm looking for a call box. That way when you... No! You dog. Right when I went to climb the hill, wind. Surprised I haven't gotten any ticks yet. My leg's constantly brushing up against the grass.
Howdy.
Howdy. Excuse me. Thank you. Sorry. Is this trail open? Yeah. Okay, thanks. Hey. Branch keeps up on me. I'm trying to avoid it. It hooked me right in the arm. Came careful, shoot me in the face. That was a blackbird with a red patch near its wing. The last store I stopped at, locked my bike up, got my stuff out, went to the door and says, closed on Mondays. Oops. Some barbed wire. I think I bunny hopped the whole thing with all my gear. Don't ask me how I did that. I'll rip my arms out of my wrists.